चुनौती है बीजेपी के सामने। बीजेपी के सामने आइडियोलॉजिकल ग्रोथ की चुनौती है। चौथी सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो चेंज होगा, वहां की जनता ने बीजेपी को यह अधिकार दे दिया कि बुलडोजर की सीट पे बैठो और स्टीयरिंग को संभालो। अभी तक बॉम्बे में चलता था भाई कल्चर, भाईजान का कल्चर, अरे भाई का फोन आया है। अब बॉम्बे में, महाराष्ट्र में चलेगा भाऊ कल्चर। और भाऊ कल्चर भाईजान का कल्चर होता था, बंधक बनाना, एक्सटॉर्शन, गुंडई, ये सब। भाऊ कल्चर का मतलब ये होता है, मराठी कल्चर में, मराठी में इसका मतलब होता है परित्राणाय साधूनाम विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम। जितने इंक्रोचमेंट है, जो भाई कल्चर है, भाईजान का कल्चर है ना, उनकी शामत आने वाली है। विनिंग बीएमसी मीन्स गेनिंग द राइट, गेनिंग द अथॉरिटी टू रन द बुलडोजर। संजय राउत को एक चीज और बता लेने दीजिए। ये बोलते जी 100 से ज्यादा हमारे अभी हैं तो हम इक्वल पावर में हैं। इनको याद करना चाहिए जो ऑडियो वायरल हुई थी कि 100 करोड़ रुपए का एक्सटॉर्शन या उगाही या कलेक्शन मुझे डेली चाहिए। 3 महीने 6 महीने के भीतर आधे से ज्यादा इनके मेंबर बीजेपी और शिवसेना में आ जाएंगे। ईडी तैयार है।
Mr. A.K. Mishra, who's a senior journalist, who's with us on the broadcast as well. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. A very good afternoon to you.
Thank
so
you.
when we are looking at this historic win, obviously now we're looking at past the win. We're looking at what promises are being made and what are the top priorities for the BJP going forward for Mumbai as well as other cities, in fact, where it has won, because there are 20 seats where the BJP alone can, field its own mayor.
I think particularly this victory, it is very much strategic as well as the tactical. On 2 parameters we should analyze. This is not a question, this should not be the subject of debate or argument that who will be the mayor. Right now, BJP, it is likewise a mammoth type of the party where everything is well organized and there is no crisis for the talent that who is going to head the seat of mayor. It is not a problem for BJP. The question is this, what BJP is doing or what BJP did. Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party leader, he clearly stated that we should learn from BJP. Of course, why I put out a word strategic. Strategic means BJP has clearly they have given a message that they are very strong in terms of you can say the drafting the strategy, political strategy for any kind of election or whatever the political challenges. This is the strategic on pan India level, micro as well as the macro. So result is saying that approximately see decades and decades of the there were the victory of other party was ruling on BMC and taking the seat, taking the in charge, being the in charge of BMC. It is very much tactical. Why it is tactical? Because of on day-to-day basis, here leader had to face very much personalized type of the need and demand of the public. Likewise, water supply, electricity problem, traffic jam problem, road and transportation. They can't deny because of Bombay, such a huge city, it is a metropolitan, cosmopolitan, and lots of challenges is there. If BJP or any other party is claiming, as Annamalai well said, that this is the cosmopolitan international city, so the facilities as well as the lifestyle should be also competition will be on with the international type of the city, likewise Shanghai, New York, and all these things. On day-to-day basis, lifestyle challenges BJP have to face. What is the beauty of BJP? I was just listening one of the BJP spokesperson or leader, I don't remember his name. Beautifully, whatever he explained, it means BJP is having a clear-cut planning for the development of Mumbai. This is not the development of Mumbai. This is the kind of challenges, whatever it is available in Mumbai city, 360 degree, they are having a clear-cut roadmap planning, execution planning for 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, say long term, mid-term, short-term type of the planning they are having. No other party is talking about some such kind of the planning that if we are coming, what is the beauty of BJP, what is the USP of BJP? If BJP is going into any election, whether it was Bihar or any election, no matter whether they are winning or they are losing, but they are coming with a clear-cut strategic roadmap that if we are winning elections, we are forming the government, what kind of activity will be carried out within this much time frame. We will develop the expressway, we will develop the railway, we will do this thing. We clear cut serial wise a roadmap, it is there. This is one thing. Second important thing, winning BMC, why it is tactical. Every time I am saying winning BMC means gaining the right, gaining the authority to run the bulldozer. So this will be an additional power enhancing. This will be a value addition to the BJP for the execution of their decision to control crime and all these things. So BMC, it is such kind of the intact will be there in every gully, in every mohalla. If they are having the power, there will be the sync between state, central, as well as the local government. That if any kind of encroachment is there, widening the road planning is there, they can use the bulldozer for anti-social elements.
Right, sir. I'll in fact come back to you on
planning is there. They can use the bulldozer for anti-social elements.
Right, sir. I'll in fact come back to you. What the vote share actually looks like for the BMC elections. Let me in fact go across to Mr. A.K. Mishra again to understand how
changes in future may be witnessed on two parameters, on two platforms. First, cultural as well as the emotional, and second, physical development. Likewise, road construction, metro, and power supply, all these things. इस जीत के मायने क्या है, संजय राउत को जरा मुझे समझा लेने दीजिए। अभी तक बॉम्बे में चलता था भाई कल्चर, भाईजान का कल्चर, अरे भाई का फोन आया है। अब बॉम्बे में, महाराष्ट्र में चलेगा भाऊ कल्चर, और भाऊ कल्चर भाईजान का कल्चर होता था बंधक बनाना, एक्सटॉर्शन, गुंडई, ये सब। भाऊ कल्चर का मतलब ये होता है, मराठी कल्चर में, मराठी में इसका मतलब होता है परित्राणाय साधूनाम विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम। ये भाऊ कल्चर अब शिफ्ट कर देगा भाई कल्चर को, जो गुंडेगर्दी की कल्चर थी। संजय राउत को एक चीज और बता लेने दीजिए। ये बोलते जी 100 से ज्यादा हमारे अभी हैं तो हम इक्वल पावर में हैं। इनको याद करना चाहिए जो ऑडियो वायरल हुई थी कि 100 करोड़ रुपए का एक्सटॉर्शन या उगाही या कलेक्शन मुझे डेली चाहिए। 3 महीने 6 महीने के भीतर आधे से ज्यादा इनके मेंबर बीजेपी और शिवसेना में आ जाएंगे। ईडी तैयार है। चौथी सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो चेंज होगा, वहां की जनता ने बीजेपी को यह अधिकार दे दिया कि बुलडोजर की सीट पे बैठो और स्टीयरिंग को संभालो। जितने इंक्रोचमेंट है, जो भाई कल्चर है, भाईजान का कल्चर है ना, उनकी शामत आने वाली है। ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आपको वहां पे देखने को मिलेगा। सबसे पहले कल्चरल चेंज जो होगा, अभी तक भाई कल्चर था, अब भाऊ कल्चर आने वाला है। तो ऐसे लोगों को तैयार हो जाना चाहिए, जितने भाई और भाईजान हैं।
बिल्कुल सर, बट अगर हम अब क्योंकि वोटर्स
Yes, I am going to tell you, in comparison of other international city, if we look Bombay as a metropolitan world-class city, of course we are far behind. And there will not be the crisis for the fund. Fund is necessary, important thing for the development. They may be planning 75,000 crore, but I am thinking there is no crisis for the fund. It will go more than 1 lakh rupees. Money will not be the problem. It may be pumped or assisted by the central government or state government. The changes. Transportation, it is one of the biggest challenges for some such kind of the usually, you can say the crowded type of the city, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and suburbs. So metro, of course, in Delhi, there is very good network of the metro. So metro, it is demanded, of course, widening the road as well as the power, as well as the sewers. Every time we are crying that before rain, BMC is spending lots of money, but there is no permanent solution for sewer it is coming or public is going to get. But at this time, we can hope some certain concrete type of the development for the sewage system, to develop the sewage system of Mumbai, as well as you can the suburb area. Some such kind of the development will be definitely taking place. Along with that, we know, everybody is knowing, BJP is having a track record for construction of expressway road. The first expressway, it was built from Mumbai to Pune. Everybody knows. So they are having the expertise. So road, transportation, communication, as well as the metro, all these are the main area.
Right.
As well as the need and necessity of individual. Bombay was one of the unsafest type of the place also. Extortion and all these things. Of course, the policing system will also get very much improved. So this is the Bhau culture. It is not Bhai culture. भाई कल्चर खत्म हो गया बॉम्बे से, भाईजान का कल्चर खत्म। अब भाऊ कल्चर में दुनिया देखेगी कि बॉम्बे का ग्रोथ कैसे होता है, कल्चरल सिविलाइजेशन के बेसिस पे, हिस्टोरिकल ग्रोथ कैसे होता है, और भारतीय पैरामीटर पे जो ग्रोथ होना चाहिए सोसाइटी का वो कैसे होता है, ये देखा जाएगा। ये चुनौती है
Absolutely.
बीजेपी के सामने, बीजेपी के सामने आइडियोलॉजिकल ग्रोथ की चुनौती है।